unboxing. So this is the Demogorgon from Netflix Stranger Things, and it is supposed to be almost 8 feet tall. It turns and moves, and it has sound effects and all kinds of crazy crap. So let's get this thing open and see what it looks like. Alright, so it's packed up really well, and if you need to, this is made by Gemmy. You could call them and they'll help you out. It looks like the base is on top, and we'll see what's underneath there. Alright, so everything's in pieces, and there's instructions on this thing. This is the plate it stands on, and it seems to be really sturdy. And then it looks like there's guy wires in there as well. Alright, so far the base is up, the feet. So this is like a plastic blow mold. This is the leg. So probably for the other diorama to help you build this sucker. Alright, so it is directions are kind of confusing, and the joints are kind of a pain in the ass to get it to fit in. Like, it looks better on camera, but it looks horrible in person. But we'll see how it goes when the rest of it's put together. Alright, so I had to take it apart, put it back together. The feet were wrong. It doesn't really tell you which ones are which, and then from a friend, like, looking at everything, it's like, hey, the feet are the wrong feet. So back to the drawing board. Alright, after taking it apart and putting it back together, we now have the base, and now is coming the torso. Alright, so we got the head put on, and then we stuck the torso through, and this is all the electronics and stuff in the back. Oh, and there's the plug and the on and off. Alright guys, so now got the first part of the arms on, and now here come the hands and the elbows. Alright, so it is now fully assembled. It took about 20 minutes, which is, it said 15-20 minutes assembly time on the packaging. So now let me run some power to it and let's see what happens. So So it came with these foam pieces, which I imagine are supposed to go inside the legs for permanent installation, but then nowhere in the instructions did it mention that foam. And this sensor is not very sensitive, because right now I'm moving in front of it. There we go, and it took like 5 or 10 seconds for it to recognize it on here. It makes the noises and then it just kind of gyrates back and forth. So it's cool, but it's not cool. I'm gonna play with the, I'm gonna add some fog and shoot a little bit with some fog. But do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, comment. This is like a limited edition thing from Walmart, a Walmart exclusive by Gemmy. And get your Demogorgon on.
Do you spend on your haunts, tickets to scares and all of your props? Unit 70 and distortions, filling your foggers and buying